Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use Saute mode on your ThermoMix TM7. There's no such mode called Saute, but the browning mode that comes built in serves exactly the same purpose. Depending on what you actually want to achieve with the browning, I'll explain it later. But you can go to the mode selection button, then find browning. Now I'll explain how to use it. You can choose the temperature right here between 140 and 160. These are high temperature settings that aren't available in the manual mode. Then you can also set the time and select whether you want gentle or intense. Now that will just change how the mode works, and for the gentle one you can place 20 grams of oil and ingredients in even pieces but not chopped. So, for example, onion in wedges or rings, vegetables in slices, half moon slices, 1 centimeter by 2 centimeter sticks, or 2 centimeter cubes. You can also add prawns whole peeled, or meat in cubes or strips. So that is what you can do for the gentle mode. Now, for the intense option, you should preheat in the manual mode by going to the manual cooking, then preheat the oil that you're adding. So if you add about 20 grams of oil, you can go to the manual mode. And then after adding the oil and aromatics, you can heat the oil in manual mode for about 2 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius at speed number 1, like that. Now I'll get out of that and I'll go back to browning. Then the intense mode, after preheating, you can add the ingredients in cubes or strips, but not chopped for vegetables. So it could be meat, but if vegetables, it shouldn't be chopped, it should be in even pieces. Now, additionally, it works best if oil amount stays between 10 grams and 50 grams. Only use a larger amount of oil for a larger amount of ingredients to be browned. A minimum of 100 grams of any solid ingredient or combination of solid ingredients are placed in the mixing bowl to be browned. So you shouldn't put less than 100 grams because you may fail. But some official FOAV recipes from the Cookito may have a total weight under 100 grams, but these have been tested for success guarantee, so those will definitely work with less than 100 grams, but just be careful. Now, when you're browning meat, poultry or seafood, you should use between 100 to 250 grams and repeat in batches to brown larger quantities. For proper browning, set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius or 4 to 8 minutes for the meat, poultry or seafood. Now, one mushroom tip: if you want to do mushrooms, it's recommended to steam them first. For that, you can go to the steaming mode and put your mushrooms in the simmering basket, then select the simmering basket mode. Now, place those mushrooms in the simmering basket and add 30 grams of water to the mixing bowl. Steam for just 3 minutes. And this will release some juices and help achieve better browning results. After mixing, empty the mixing bowl after steaming and before browning, and then you can begin browning of your mushrooms. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.